Yep. Mm-hmm.
This fucking guy. Anyways, welcome back. If you know that guy right there. We're not working on his bike today. We are working on that atrocious piece of shit. See that? See that right there? Atrocious.
Don't zoom in.
Audi shit, bro. Audi shit. Yeah, at its finest. At its finest. What are we doing? We're doing AC?
Today we will be changing out a AC pressure switch. It said when I scanned it, I got an OBD 11 scanner for VAG. Basically, it's not sending a signal. So, oh my god, my hair. So the AC clutch is not turning on. It's not giving me no cold air. It's blowing hot all the time. So we're gonna swap it out. And this one actually works with. I got a pump in there, and I suck all the oil out like 15 minutes.
Yeah, it makes it a lot easier.
Yeah,
He sucks all the oil out without a vacuum.
without the. I do.
Boy, what did you say to me?
Rescue truck.
I do. I hear it. That's crazy. And that's it right there. So, there's not an issue here. Take my pick.
Look at me doing so much work.
What is this, right?
Honest boys do.
What?
Alright, that's it. Close the hood. Legit, my bumper is held on with 3 bolts.
No, I can't tell me that.
The Lexus is held on by bolt here, bolt there, bolt there.
Dude. Yeah.
So, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe.
Buy some merch.
Yeah, buy some
stickers.
Buy some stickers. With those funds, I can take all of that money and we can slam this bitch to the ground. Link here, store link in the bio. Yeah, I really want to get him on some wheels. Get him lowered. He's already got exhaust done. Maybe we can throw in a big ass turbo on this bitch.
Buy a corner piece.
Buy those. Buy those. What is that? $10? I think it's $10. Get your little corner piece. Put it on the little sunroof if you want. Little corner piece on the side. Yeah. But I want to get some wheels for this. Lower it. Coilovers.
Wheels. That's that right there.
Lip
Two
kit.
man. I have the lip. It's back there in the corner.
All the way around?
Oh no, not the rest. I do want side skirts real bad. They don't make rear diffusers for the single exit exhaust.
We're about to make a rear diffuser.
either custom fab or fucking switch it to dual exit.
So, buy some stickers, subscribe, like the videos, comments, shares. All that helps me out as much. Almost at 100 subscribers. At 94 currently.
Subscribe.
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 Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.